How to wire money to Webull. I'm going to show you how you can easily wire money to Webull. You can initiate a wire transfer at your bank's counter or on your bank's online platform only. Before you initiate a transfer, find the recipient information within the Webull app or website. If you have not linked any ACH bank accounts, you can find the recipient information by tapping Transfer and then Choose. If you have already linked an ACH bank account, tap Deposit and select or Deposit by Wire at the bottom of the page. Next, tap Remittance Information and check all the recipient information. Tap on the text to copy the information. You cannot initiate a wire transfer within the Webull app. After you've confirmed the recipient information, go to your bank or your bank's online platform to complete the wire transfer request. Now choose an eligible bank account. The beneficiary owner of the bank account must be identical to the Webull account owner. Then, go to the selected bank or bank's online platform. Only US dollars are accepted. Make sure your bank account has enough US dollars. If you're using a non-US bank account, you will have to exchange to US dollars. After that, choose Wire on your bank's counter or online platform. If you're using a non-US bank account, please choose International Wire. Then, fill in the recipient information and complete the wire transfer application form. You must provide your full name and Webull account number in the description of the wire transfer, or the transfer will be returned. Finally, submit the wire transfer request and wait for the funds settlement.